This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to use your sinamay to make your stripe base. You need your sinamay. This is half yard of sinamay. You need your cup that you are going to use to carry the base of the sinamay. I've covered it with velvet. If you don't know how to do this, watch how to make Ankara fascinator. And you need your Alice band, your feather or your rose. You need your bias, your needle and thread, your hook gum, your tape roll, and your gum wax candle. This is half yard of sinamay. To cut your stripe base, stretch the sinamay, then fold your sinamay into triangular shape like this. You fold it at the edge, fold it like this. You can iron it to make it to be smooth. Then take your tape rule, the size I'm going to use for my stripe. The length is 16 while the side is 3. Then you cut it out. You can see the way I'm cutting it. You cut it straight like that. This is it. This is what we cut. You can see it. We are going to make more than one to make the base for striped sinamay. This is what we cut out as a stripe. We are going to fold it inside by 0.5. Let your folding be like 0.5. The folding must not be too wide. And fold this side to the same. And see it. Then overlap it like this, then stretch it or you iron it. You can see we have made all the stripe that we need for this design. I make 4. That is what I'm going to use to create my base. You take your cup. This is the cup we're going to use. Open it like this. Then take your stripe. Make sure that I'm going to space it like this. I've gummed the first side. You can see it. I've gummed it here. Then this is the second one, the second hand. I've gummed it here. See that I create space. Just spread the hand. Allow it to dry. Then you take another one. This one, you spread it. You place one here, then you spread the other to the front. Put your hook gum. And then spread the other hand. see I've made the 3 stripe. Then we are fixing the last one as base. This is the last one. Of this, my rows is 4. This is 4. By 18. 4. And fold it into 2. Create a line from at the edge. Gum here, and at the tip put your gum at the edge here, then at the down edge of it to the end, and bring this mount, bring it together like this, like you are creating hand pleating. See the way I make it. Bring it together, then be turning it with your hand. And see it. See it. Then bring your fascinator, use your feather on it. You can use your feather. I'm going to attach it on it. Your gum to gum it. Put your gum at the back of it. Gum it with your feather. You can use something to block the center here, to block it. You can use your needle and try to tack the stripe hand down with the edge of the fascinator. Fold the edge, put your gum, and overlap it here, then gum it. Rubber band, or you can use your Alice band. You are going to fix it in the same way, or anywhere you want to place it. Then small bias, cut small bias like this. Put your wax candle on the iron on the rubber Alice band, then gum it with your bias. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.